Welcome to Enoven Foods. I'm Nahida with you. Today we are making a snack that's crispy on the outside, cheesy and juicy on the inside. Chicken cheese balls. Perfect for parties, tiffin, or when you are just craving something fun and delicious. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon chopped onion, and 1 teaspoon green chili. Saute for about 1 minute until it smells amazing. Then add half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Cook for another 30 seconds. Always cook the spices for a few seconds to release their full flavor. Now add half cup boiled shredded chicken, 2 tablespoon chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoon grated carrot. Cook it all together for 1 minute. Add 1 cup fresh breadcrumbs and 1/4 cup milk. Cook everything together for 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes a soft, sticky mixture. Turn off the heat and add 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese cube. Mix everything well. Mozzarella gives that gooey cheese pull that makes every bite extra special. Let the mixture cool slightly, then shape into small balls. Now for the coating, mix 1/4 cup flour and half cup water to make a smooth slurry. Dip each chicken ball in the slurry, then roll in breadcrumbs for that perfect crunch. Heat oil on medium heat. Gently drop in the balls and fry until golden brown from all sides. These chicken balls are full of protein and veggies, a great way to sneak in some nutrients for picky eaters. Drain on tissue paper and serve hot with your favorite dip, ketchup, mayo, or chili sauce. So did you love today's cheesy snack idea? Don't forget to like, comment and share this recipe with your friends and foodies. And of course subscribe to Enoven Foods for more delicious snacks, desserts and quick meals. Try these chicken cheese balls and let us know how many you finished in one go. Until next time, happy cooking!